This is my fiance, Kevin. Okay. Ow! Well, my head looks actually really big.
It's just perspective.
You have to...
This is the actual size right here.
Oh my god. I don't think I like being on this side because I feel like my head looks extremely big.
It's gonna be big on either side.
Anyway, this is my fiance, Kevin. And of course, I talked about having him in more of my videos and stuff. You probably saw him in our house tour video. He was in there for like 2 seconds because he didn't want me to film him, but I could not be more excited to do wedding planning and get down the aisle and become Mrs. I believe that we are aiming for the fall, for fall of 2016, getting married. And on Friday, I was at work and got this delivery. Like, the receptionist at my job called and she was like, hey, you got a delivery up front. So I was like, oh, okay. I didn't expect anything but just regular work stuff. I go up front and there is a huge bouquet of flowers, and there's like a little card on the flowers and said, meet me at 10 o'clock for a romantic evening. Instructions are at home. And this is the weekend that my parents are coming over and his parents are coming over, but we planned this for like 4 or 5 months. So I go home, there is this big white sheet of paper in front of the TV, and there's instructions on it. It says that someone's gonna pick you up at 9:45 to take you to your destination. Just look cute and comfortable. He said make sure you eat beforehand because I don't want you to be grumpy, because everybody knows when I'm hungry and I don't know where I'm going, I get a little grumpy. The next thing that happens is there's like a knock on my door. It's like about 9:50, and there's a guy in a tuxedo and he's like, hey, I'm here from the limo service. And I kind of like looking like, no, I didn't order a limo, because from the note I was actually expecting Kevin to come and pick me up. And he's like, no, are you Jasmine Mosley? And I said, yeah, I'm Jasmine Mosley. Like, how may I help you? And he said, I'm here to pick you up. Kevin Beal sent me to come pick you up. So Kevin's not there. I'm by myself. I'm in this town car, and we go down to the waterfront. And I don't see Kevin anywhere, but I do see 3 guys looking like they're trying to like light a fire. And next thing you know, I look over, I see a guy going like, I realize it's Kevin trying to light this fire with 2 other guys who I don't know. And Kevin comes up to the car, the limo driver opens up the door, and we walk over, and Kevin's like, hey, I just, wanted to, take some time to really talk to you and do something really nice. And I said, oh, that's so great. I was like, you didn't have to do this because I was cleaning our house, which I do like all the time. He's like, no, I just love everything you do. I appreciate you so much. And then all of a sudden he gets really choked up, and I'm like, what's wrong with you? And we're walking towards a bridge, so in my mind I'm like, okay dude, like either you're jumping off the bridge or something else is happening. He's like trying to talk, and I said, what is it, like what's wrong, like tell me what's wrong. And he was like, I just really want to make you my wife. And then next thing you know, I turn around and he's down on one knee, and I just was shaken up. I just couldn't believe this happening. And my dad knew for 2 months. Like, I could not believe that like no one spoiled it. But the thing was, my dad kept it from my mom because my mom would have like told everybody's mother's brother's cousin in our family, and it would have got back to me, and she knows it. That is pretty much the engagement story, and our parents met up at our house. I'm just so overjoyed right now, and I cannot wait to be Kevin's wife. I really can't. I mean, he's my best friend. He's everything to me. I'm a spiritual person, and I always prayed that I would find somebody that was just right for me, and someone who loves me as much as I love them in a year, Even though I'll still be Jazz Mosley on YouTube land and on my website. Starting my life as Jasmine Mosley Beal is gonna be a great adventure, and I'm looking forward to every moment of it. This is an up close of my ring, and Kevin picked this out himself. So that is all for my update vlogs, very short update, and I will definitely take you along for the ride with all of the wedding planning that I will be doing. It's such an amazing time right now. I'm just trying not to get emotional on camera. Until next time, and you know, I keep flashing my ring. I'm just like, yeah, I'll see you guys later, you know. But I'll see you all later, and stay tuned and keep watching.